Well, hello there. Well, hello there. Well, hello there, boils and ghouls, and welcome back to another video. If you're into Halloween horror or practical effects makeup, then you've come to the right place, because we like to keep it spooky around here all year round. And with that being said, if you are not subscribed yet to this channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and give that like button a little murder, and let's jump into this unboxing. All right, everybody, let's open this box and see what's inside. I'm sure you guys can already tell by the title of this video, but let's get it open, let's put it together and see what it does. All right, guys, we got lots of parts, lots of parts. I think the first thing we should probably do is take everything out and find the instructions, okay? That is what we do. We do look at instructions. We want to make sure it's put together properly. Let's take these pieces out first. Oh boy. I think we found some instructions, guys. Okay, we got a base. Got a base. We've got a chainsaw. Got an arm. Got some mechanics. Sorry, bones. Got some more arms, some legs, and I think that's everything from this box. They really packaged it very nicely, though. I do like that. Chainsaw. So we got our adapter. We got a try me button. All right, guys, let's start putting it together. First thing we need is our base. And we need some shoes. It's supposed to be on there. All right, we got the shoes on. Okay, got 2 legs. We gotta put his pants on now. I gotta find his pants. I wonder if Leatherface changes his pants. I would hope so. Okay, guys, I found his pants. Wow, these are stylish. I could wear these. Okay, let's put his pants on. Oh, they're actually like thick. We got the torso. This thing is pretty diesel. It says that I have to lower something over this. I hope I'm doing this right. I have to lower this over this, and this goes there. We are lowering the torso on one side, and we're gonna have to stretch this one to get over. I always feel like I'm gonna like pinch my fingers, which I do. And it's locked, it's engaged. So we got the hip on there. This is the front. All right, next we attached his breastplate, I guess you could call this. Hole has to be on the outside. And then we're gonna put his button down over top, because we have mechanics in the front. It's always weird dressing other people. Moving on. I'm actually gonna connect the adapter right now. You might wanna put that in your pocket. Cats love those things. I'm gonna run this cord down his leg, because we like to make it nice, you know? We gotta find the hole. We're gonna run the sensor through that hole in the breastplate. Okay, and we'll connect it. All right. I is the right arm. Find the clasps inside, which are there. And we're gonna attach eye. Putting animatronics are not fast, I'll tell you that right now. We do our Halloween decorations outside every year, and it literally takes an entire weekend. So be prepared. So we got one arm on. He's muscular. Okay, looking good. Arm J on his left side. Once again, we're gonna roll up his sleeve to make it a little easier for us. I just gotta find it, and there it is. And we're gonna put J in there. Not bad so far. He's coming together. Spooky. It's spooky. All right, so the easiest way to do this is take the handle off, the upper hander, and just put it through the hand, clasp it together. So you gotta flip the chainsaw upside down to attach it, like so. I think I got it in there. Wait till it snaps, then it's locked in. Then over the hand, and this is tricky. Okay. Woo. That was a workout. I'm sweating. He wouldn't be Leatherface without his apron. He probably needs a head, but I'm just gonna put it over there first. Now I'm gonna put the head on. Oh look, it's a lunch lady. What are you serving for lunch today there, Leatherface?
Grilled cheese and soup.
He's definitely serving up something, but let's take this hairnet off. Let's attach his head, you guys. A moment of truth. All right. There he is. Let's fix your collar there, buddy. Come on, you gotta put yourself together here. I gotta fix his hair a little bit. It's too fancy. Yeah, there you go. So hot. Definitely gonna have to really work at this hair, but it looks good. You're looking snazzy. There you have it. How's it going, Dad? Got the life-size Leatherface animatronic. Now, the moment that you've all been waiting for. Let's plug it in and see how it works. There you have it, Leatherface in the flesh. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video with me, and I also want to thank Lowes.com for sending me this guy. I absolutely love him so much. And if you guys want one of these for yourselves, make sure you guys click the link down below so you can have your own life-size Leatherface for this Halloween season. I love you, Leatherface.